Yesterday, I interviewed one of our they're all amazing, members within the PPT Institute who moved through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. And I can't wait for you to hear that episode on From Betrayal to Breakthrough. But I would rather you watch it because I want you to see the look of someone who is experiencing post betrayal transformation, the complete and total rebuild of your life and yourself after an experience with betrayal. There are two looks. And if you've gone through it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's a look of when you are physically going through your own experience, you can look 10 years older. And you look in the mirror and you can barely recognize yourself. And then when you move through it, you will see you look like 10 years younger. You regain that vitality, that youth. It's a look. Now there's also another look. And this is the look of the betrayer. And if you've experienced this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The betrayer can look one way when everything is good and when they're being honest and truthful and everything else. And there is a different look in their eyes when they're not. And I know if we're so busy, we're not looking for it, we don't see it. But when you are experiencing this, if you take a look, remember the look in their eyes. It's like a vacant, like a void, like a disassociated. There's a different look. And it is, as much as it's mental and emotional, it's physical too. So I want you to be on the lookout for that episode on From Betrayal to Breakthrough. It's coming soon because I want you to see what post-betrayal transformation looks like. It's nothing you can't do. All she did was move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. Now, I'm not saying that it's easy, but it is the most transformative work you'll ever do. I want you to be on the lookout for that look. And let me know if you've seen a difference in how you look as you're moving through your experience and when you've completed, when you're on the other side. And as far as the betrayer, did you notice a different look at different stages? Let me know.